Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Quick look here again at Matic, double checking a couple of key factors here. We are retesting that descending trend line, potential break of this this trend. We're going to double check the moving averages, kind of see what that looks like, and redraw out some recent fibs here just to get perspective on where this price action is moving. So if you are new to the channel, keep in mind we're not a financial advisor. I just love teaching people to trade. And hopefully you can learn something today. Hit the like button, comment below if you want to become a better trader. CryptoCache.tech is a site. Link down below where you can kind of become a better trader. And I say kind of because it just depends on how much effort you put into it, right? If you're not trying to learn, not trying to learn from your mistakes more so, then you're going to probably not do so well with trading. And again, my Trading Academy kind of touches on risk tolerance, emotional trading, all those things that are important that we commonly overlook. So check it out, CryptoCache.tech if you want to join. I do have Trading Academy, community, and signals groups. Really cool thing. So checking out our 0.68 here level. So in other words, 68 cents is that upper level liquidation here for Matic. And we did sweep just a very, very strong amount of liquidation, about 67 cents. So we got some late shorts here, right at about 67.1. So this is common standard stuff here in the last 7 days, seeing an upper level liquidation here get swept. We take a look at the monthly though, this is where things are a little different. Because we saw every liquidation level to the downside get destroyed. Of course, that was one of us, actually. We didn't get liquidated, of course, but we had a stop loss at about 40% there, come down and wick out and close our position. So while we had only 2 stop losses this month, all those were because of Friday, we had some nice shorts to offset that as well. But the truth here is, though, with Matic, 77 cents is a heavy concentration liquidation on the upside. That's the only thing really left in the last month's worth of trading. And just kind of throw it out here, too, so you kind of see what I'm talking about. We had, Myro 41% short. There's that Matic stop loss 44%. And then we see Matic 30%. That was a short as well. Offset that long. And of course, there's an AVAX stop target. So those are our 2 stop losses, but Injective, nice amount of profit. ICP, DYDX, CASPA, 100% profit there. So again, folks, yes, we hit a couple stop losses, but the gains are definitely larger than the losses. So obviously make sure you're securing profits as you continue to trade. And we always try to adjust our stop loss higher as we hit our targets, okay? That's an important thing. So if you're not securing profit, what are you doing really? You're not really trading, okay? So let's look at the daily time frame, work our way down. Now we kind of got a foundation of understanding the back end liquidation levels. Again, just to recap, 77 cents is that upper level liquidation. Do I think that's going to be hit right away? No, it's going to be a ways away, right? It's all the way up here. So we got some progress that needs to happen before now and then, okay? And what that progress is breaking this descending trend line. Let's look at our moving averages and talk here. We are below both the 50, pretty much every single moving average. Most coins are looking like this right now. We barely broke above the important ones before Friday, and Friday had another agenda. So looking here, standard par for the course for most coins. Stochastic RSI are trying to swing up where everything else is fairly low. Heat Mun RSI, Money Flow Index, they're all pretty low here at this point, and MACD is diverging. Not great signs here at this point, okay? So if we do take a look here at, let's see here, what is it? The 4-hour time frame, we can recognize that we've broken this descending trend line tentatively, but we're not closing above it yet. Okay, so it's important to understand that retesting a trend line is one thing, but breaking and closing above is another. So having said that, we're tentatively above the 20-day SMA. You can kind of see this here, this green guy, this green line. That lets us know that we're above the trend line-ish, but once more, we got to continue to close above and move forward. In other words, we see this most recent high, this range right here. That's an important level to close above today. The reason why is because it was the most recent high, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, now 7th attempt to break that level, finally broke through, okay? So again, Matic is not looking great by any stretch, but we can see that slight relief rally there with the MACD converging, everything looking decently well in the 4-hour, minus the RSI not breaking above 50 yet. I want to be above 50 in the RSI personally before I want to consider taking a trade. That's just me. That's kind of a little comfort spot that I have. I don't like taking trades into a 50 in the RSI in the 4-hour. Definitely don't like that. So having said that, the hourly time frame, we can see a massive amount of volume. Okay, now it looks large. It's not amazingly large, but it's pretty large compared to this weekend, which again, weekends have low volume. So having said all that, looking at this here, this candle does imply that we're probably going to see the price continue further up. However, we don't have confirmation until we close above this level here, which again is that 65.5 cent mark. And that's because that's right where the cloud is consolidating. Okay? So again, important to close above this here in the next 5 to 10 hours. So by the end of today's trading day, we should have a good perspective on whether or not a long is viable or not. Because again, we would have broken free from this range and essentially established higher highs and be in good shape to consider the price action continuing further up. Okay? In other words, if we go like this, we can kind of see price action could work its way back up these fib levels here, pending we get a bullish back test of this this most recent horizontal resistance. Okay, so again, that's why waiting for confirmation is important. We do have the lagging span free and clear conversion lines up to the baseline. There's a lot of reasons why Matic, it feels like it wants to break out. Okay, hasn't yet, but it does look like it wants to come there. So we may actually see something more along the lines of this, and if so, that'd be just fine. Yeah. So hopefully we can get some kind of confirmation soon, but we're on the edge of that. We just want to make sure to wait because it's descending trend line. We're still tentatively below it until we close above it. Okay? All right. Hope I made sense with that. Thanks again so much for watching. Hope you learned something today. Make sure you reference our Bitunix promo. Awesome stuff right now. They're offering a really nice deposit bonus to any new members here and or those who have used my link to register previously. So make sure you take advantage of that. It's a really cool offer. I've got a Twitter, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, and TikTok shorts. So if you want to check those out too, be my guest. But yeah, it's been a pretty good overall experience here. Last month was awesome. This month's been decent. I would say Friday's little reset wasn't the greatest, but it is part of it, no matter how you look at it. I hope you look forward to, I look forward to working with you if you want to. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I look forward to working with you either way. Thanks again so much for your time. We'll see you in the next video. Have yourself a great rest of your day. Take care.